So look, ladies and gentlemen, I know a lot of you guys watching this video are feeling incredibly stuck in your lives. Rewriting the brand for success can be a multifaceted process that includes both physical and mental strategies. Here are some steps that you can do to be very successful and happy. So let's go together, continue the video. The first number, prioritize your task. Prioritizing your task can help you stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Make a to-do list each day and prioritize the most important tasks. Number 2, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can seriously impact your brain's ability to function optimally. Make sure you are getting enough reset each night, ideally between 7 or 8 hours. Number 3, exercise regularly. Exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function and help reduce stress. Make sure you are getting enough physical activity each week. Number 4, eat a healthy diet. Your brain needs proper nutrition to function at its best. Make sure you are eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Number 5, visualize success. Visualization is a power tool for success. Take time each day to visualize yourself achieving your goals and experiencing success. Number 6, mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to improve focus, reduce stress, and increase self-awareness. Consider incorporating a mindfulness practice into your daily routine. Number 7, set goals. Having clear goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Number 8, surround yourself with positivity. Negative thinking can be detrimental to your success. Surround yourself with positive people who support your goals and aspirations. Number 9, learn something new. Learning new skills or knowledge can help keep your brain active and engaged. Consider taking a class, reading a book, or trying a new hobby. Number 10, develop a daily routine. Having a consistent daily routine can help you stay focused and productive. Create a routine that works for you and stick to it as much as possible. Sure, here are some additional strategies you can try to reset your brain for success. Number 1, practice positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself can have a significant impact on your mindset and success. Make a conscious effort to replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations that motivate and inspire you. Number 2, take breaks and rest. Taking breaks and allowing your brain to rest is important for optimal performance. Schedule regular breaks throughout the day and take time off when you need it. Number 3, manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your brain and overall health. Make sure you have effective strategies in place to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or talking to a trusted friend or therapist. Number 4, embrace challenge. Embracing challenge can help you grow and develop new skills. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and take on new challenges. Number 5, take care of your mental health. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Make sure you're taking care of your mental health by practicing self-care, connecting with others, and seeking help if you need it. Remember, resetting your brain for success is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process. It requires consistent effort and a willingness to make positive change in your life. But incorporating these strategies into your daily routine and staying committed to your goals, you can reset your brain for success and achieve your full potential.